It was an early, windy start for Royal Navy bomb disposal experts as they returned to Harwich Harbour to assess a wartime weapon submerged nose down in coastal mudflats. Yesterday it was confirmed as a V2, a missile fired at Britain from Europe into the direction of Hitler. Today, 4 divers and 2 engineers set up a barge and digger around the site, but had to wait until the tide was low enough to find out exactly what they were dealing with.
Gives us the ability to investigate further with less water present. We're able to conduct more specific excavation of the area in order to get down as far as possible down the weapon in order to make sure there's no warhead present and there's no hazard to public safety.
David Tassell from Colchester remembers World War II as a child and couldn't resist the chance to see a part of history resurface.
We heard the story of the V2 being embedded in the mud. I was in London when the V2s were coming over. They missed me the first time, and I thought, well, maybe I can get a closer look of one whilst it's here.
As the rocket was pulled out of the water, he and others were allowed to stay nearby, as it became clear there was no explosive attached to its base section. It's now midday. High tide won't be for another 4 or 5 hours. At this point, it will be lifted by a larger crane and brought into shore, to be kept by Harwich Sailing Club as an ornament. And although its members always knew the V2 was here, after nearly 70 years, they can't wait for their chance at a closer look. Laura Burns, Anglia News, Harwich.